Do you go to the gym? Or maybe you want to start, but you're not sure what to say in English? Grab your water bottle, get ready, and let's train your English together.
Joining the gym.
Hi, I'd like to join the gym. Great. Do you want a monthly or yearly membership? I think I'll start with a monthly one. How much is it? It's $40 per month. You can use all the equipment and join classes. That sounds good. What kind of classes do you have? We have yoga, spinning, and aerobics. Nice. I'd like to try yoga. When is the next class? Tomorrow at 6 p.m. Would you like to sign up? Yes, please. Perfect. Here's your membership card. Welcome to the gym. Thank you. I'm excited to start.
Asking about equipment.
Hi, excuse me. Can you show me how to use this machine?
Sure. That's the leg press machine. Have you used it before?
No, it's my first time.
No problem. Sit here, put your feet on the platform, and push slowly.
Like this?
Yes, that's right. Don't lock your knees when you push.
Okay, I understand. How many times should I do it?
Try 3 sets of 10 repetitions.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need help with other machines.
I will. Thanks again.
Meeting a friend at the gym.
Hey, Lisa. I didn't know you came to this gym. Hi, Emma. Yes, I joined last month. That's great. How often do you come? Usually 3 times a week. What about you? I try to come every day, but sometimes I'm too tired after work. I know what you mean. What do you usually do here? I run on the treadmill and lift weights. I prefer the group classes. They're more fun. Maybe I'll try one with you sometime. Sure, let's go to the Zumba class on Friday. Sounds good.
Talking to a trainer.
Hi, how's your workout going today?
It's good, but I'm not sure if I'm doing the exercises correctly.
Which exercise are you talking about?
The squats. My legs hurt a lot.
That's normal, but let me check your form. Keep your back straight and look forward.
Like this?
Yes, much better. Don't go too low at first.
Okay, I'll try that. How many should I do?
Start with 10 and rest for a minute between sets.
Got it. Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Keep it up.
Talking about fitness goals.
Hi, what's your goal at the gym?
I want to lose some weight and get stronger.
That's a good goal. How long have you been training?
About 2 months. I already feel better.
That's great. I'm trying to build muscle.
Do you follow a special diet?
Yes, I eat more protein and drink a lot of water.
I should do that too. Do you have any tips?
Just be consistent and don't give up.
Thanks. I'll remember that.
Talking about a class.
Hi, Tom. Did you go to the yoga class yesterday?
Yes, I did. It was really relaxing.
I wanted to go, but I finished work late.
That's okay. There's another class tomorrow morning.
What time does it start?
At 9 a.m. The instructor is very good.
Great, I'll try to come. Do I need to bring anything?
Just a yoga mat and a bottle of water.
Perfect. Thanks for the information.
No problem. See you tomorrow then.
See you.
After a workout.
Wow, that was a tough workout.
Yes, I'm so tired. But it feels good.
What did you do today?
I did some cardio and then lifted weights. You?
I ran for 30 minutes and did some stretching.
That's great. Are you coming again tomorrow?
Yes, I want to keep my routine.
Me too. It's easier when you come regularly.
Exactly. Let's meet here at the same time tomorrow.
Sure, see you then.
See you. Great job! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more English conversation lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!